Hey, this is Sam Jackson with Heartland Turf and Landscape. So we're in early April right now, and things are starting to bloom. People are thinking about their lawn and landscapes, and we always get quite a few people this time of year who will ask us about seeding their lawns. Unfortunately, we don't because we believe best practice is to seed in the fall. We don't offer spring seeding for some reasons that I'll talk about here in just a minute. But I thought I'd make a video with going through the whole entire process of seeding a lawn from beginning to end and do that here in the spring, although, like I said, we don't recommend it generally. But with the purpose of, for all of you out there that might be thinking your lawn needs to be overseeded in the fall, if you keep up with this series, you'll have some tips and some better knowledge to help you make a better decision about which service might be needed for your lawn, or some tips if you're going to try to do it yourself, how to make sure you get the best results. So the reason we don't recommend spring seeding is for one, this is the time you need to be putting pre-emergent on your lawn to help prevent those weeds, especially crabgrass and foxtail and other grassy weeds, from getting in your lawn and creating a problem with an infestation. So unfortunately, if you put a pre-emergent down, you can't put grass seed down because essentially the pre-emergent disrupts the germination process, so those seeds aren't going to germinate effectively. The other reason is because if you plant grass in the spring, that's going to have a really shallow, immature root system, and come July and August, unless you're really vigilant about watering, there's a high likelihood that that grass isn't going to survive the summer months anyway, and you're right back where you started, and you need to seed in the fall. So that being said, I am going to go ahead and seed in the spring, although we don't recommend it. And yes, I may have some issues with some weeds, and we will have to be very vigilant about keeping it watered. But I thought this is going to be helpful for everyone out there who might be considering a seeding service for their lawn. So follow along with me, and hope everybody will learn some valuable information. Thanks.